Jaguar Land Rover is a company with a big heritage. For instance, that company, Jaguar, celebrates the 50th birthday of the XJ models this year. But they're also a brand which looks into the future, into a very modern future. For instance, they are one of the best teams when you look at the Formula E. And regarding to e-mobility, you'll find a world premiere here at the stand today. Here at Geneva, the new Jaguar I-PACE is celebrating its premiere. And next to me is the CEO of Jaguar Land Rover Germany. I have one question. What makes that car so special?
This I-PACE embodies the core of the Jaguar brand. Its performance, it's got the drivability of a real sports car. And that's, I think, new to this EV situation. We have got a lot of EVs that go very well straight, but this car actually delivers you the curve and the sportiness that you need for a sports car. And that's actually the core of the brand, and that's what we present here today.
And when we talk about electrified cars, we always have to talk about range and power. What does that car offer regarding to this?
So, according to the new WLTP calculation, this car delivers 480 kilometers of range in the European cycle. And that's, I think, for a car this size and of course the availability comparing to the competitors, a good starting point.
And regarding to the engines, how is the powertrain working?
So the powertrain, we got two electric motors propelling both axles, front and rear. So we got a four-wheel drive car here with 400 PS, which of course is again focuses on the sportiness of the car, and this is of course key for the brand Jaguar.
So you just said it will deliver about 480 kilometers maximum range, but how about charging then?
Charging, yes, it's of course very important for our customers and especially also EV customers. So we will have a DC, if you use a DC charging infrastructure, it will charge from 0 to 80% in only 40 minutes. So I think it's a good starting point for customers to use it also in the daily surroundings. And we believe that this is the car that actually breaks through this problem of charging as well as the range issue.
And I have a question regarding, normally when I buy a car like an EV car, I want to know about how much distance I can drive with the car standing somewhere, or where is my car. So is there any connectivity on board?
We've got it all. We've got all the connectivity you need. It will tell you exactly where it is, how long it will charge, how long it needs to be charged, and how long you can get with the car. And also shows you, in that sense, an integral part in the navigation system. It shows you where the car can be charged next. So it shows you also the next charging points on your map. So in that sense, you should be feeling secure about not running out of energy in that sense.
And when we talk about all the technology, all the range we have, that must have a price on it.
Yes, it has a price. The starting price in Germany is 77,850 euros.
Okay, and you can order it from now onwards. And you're showing so many beautiful cars here. Are there any more highlights beside the new I-PACE?
Yes, of course. We are a brand with two brands, Land Rover, Range Rover especially. We have launched here today the SV Coupe. This car is very exclusive. We only will build 999, and this is actually a two-door coupe car in the classical Range Rover segment. And we believe that we will have a very strong focus on exclusive customers across the world, in America, in the Middle East, in China, and of course also in Germany and in Europe. There are some motor companies in the world who would love to say, yes, we're there for 50 years. But if you look at Jaguar, that model here celebrates its 50th birthday. That's the XJ. But Jaguar is, on the other hand, a very modern company. Today they showed the world premiere of the new Jaguar I-PACE, a fully electric car. And what I really like with that car is we have the combination between the big range, a powerful engine, and a lot of driving performance. And I'm really looking forward to see that car on the road.